In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add transitions in Premiere Pro. So let's say you have your two clips ready in here. Just click and drag to your timeline. This is my first clip, and this is my second clip. So in this second clip, you will need to make sure that it is in the right size. So just make sure you click on Effect Controls, and if you don't see Effect Controls, click on this arrow over here and then click on Effect Controls and then Motion, and then zoom it to the right size around here. And then if you click and play, it would look like that. So for us to add a transition, we're just gonna need to click on Effects over here. But if you don't see Effects over here, make sure you click in Window, Workspaces, and All Panels. Now you'll be able to see Effects, click, and search in Transitions, or just click, the first thing that you'll see here is Video Transitions. Just click on this arrow over here, and you'll see the different effects over here. As you can see, I was testing which effect would be better, but for me, I kind of like the either Cross Dissolve, Dip to Black, or Dip to White. So we'll go with the Cross Dissolve for now. Click and drag over here. So in this part, just click OK. And now you have a transition. And let's say, for example, Dip to Black. It would look like this. And for Dip to White, it would look like this. And that's it. Thank you for watching.